Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to solve Bluetooth not connecting problem on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on more connectivity options. Now from here, scroll down and tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. Now from here, just tap on reset settings. Now from here, just enter your screen lock. Now from here, tap on next. Now from here, just tap on OK. Now once you have done that, just go back. Now from here, scroll down and tap on apps. Now from here, tap on manage apps. Now from here, just search Bluetooth. Now from here, tap on Bluetooth extension. Now from here, tap on clear data. Now from here, tap on clear all data. Now just tap on done. Now from here, go back and tap on Bluetooth. Now from here, tap on clear data and tap on clear all data. Now from here, tap on OK. Now from here, scroll down and tap on app permissions. Now from here, just give Bluetooth all these permissions. Now as you can see, I have already given Bluetooth all these permissions. Now if you have not given Bluetooth some permissions, just give Bluetooth all the permissions. Now once you have done that, just go to your home screen. Now from here, just press and hold the power button to reboot your smartphone. Now from here, swipe down to reboot your smartphone. Now it will take a few seconds to reboot your smartphone and to solve the Bluetooth problem. Now as you can see, our smartphone has finished rebooting. Just open your smartphone. Now as you can see, this is how you can solve Bluetooth not connecting problem on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.